my loves. Happy Monday. Today is Monday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Margaret. I post all things faith-based, lifestyle. If you are just joining, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that whenever I do post a video, you are the very first to see it. So yeah, y'all. So today was not that busy, but not yet at least. I just got done filming some content. I want to tell y'all about it. So first and foremost, Estee Lauder. I don't know what it is about Estee Lauder, but every time I wear their stuff, I just feel like I don't know, like I'm floating on clouds, like I'm in a beautiful garden overlooking the water, like I don't know, somewhere in Italy. Y'all, I don't know what it is about Estee Lauder products that I absolutely love, but they sent me their peptide power serum primer, and they also sent me their skin tint serum, which and it has SPF in it. And I've never had a foundation. Have I had a foundation? I don't know if I've had a foundation with SPF in it, but baby, I'm not gonna lie though, I do feel like I could have gotten a shade darker. I went with FN2 Amber Honey, and it does look light on my skin. Like it looked lighter than my skin, but it ended up mixing really, really well. I don't know if it's because like that's just how the product is supposed to be. This is my first time getting a skin tint anyways, so I'm not really sure. But it's oil infused, and it's just, I don't know. So far, it's been doing wonders to my skin. I've only had it on for about 30 minutes now. So when the day is over, before the day ends, I'll let you know how my skin reacts to it. And yeah, I love it. It's a duo, so can't get one without the other. Yeah. Anywho, today we actually have our very first, I don't know if I told you guys this, but I think I did early on. If you have looked way back when, I told you guys that my husband and I ended up finding a church, and now this year we're doing ministry. So we are a part of the young adult ministry. This one, young adult ministry, we're kind of like on the board to kind of like help plan things, put stuff together, which is fun. So today's our first event tonight. It's a Zoom call, and I ended up creating a Kahoot. I don't know if you guys like still remember this stuff, but I know it brought back a lot of memories because in college we used to use Kahoots a lot. And yeah, so I ended up putting some questions together. My husband actually helped me with it because I was so confused on what they were asking for. But it came out so good, and right now I actually have to hop on a meeting with her. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll get back with y'all. To get started, because you know, me and my husband have been praying about like definitely getting involved in our church, and yeah, so this is our first time actually like helping. I mean, we've done community service and stuff, but like doing ministry is different, okay? Especially when like, ooh, child, my hand ashy. Oh, here we go. Native lotion, so good. And I'm filming for YouTube.
Oh, what's up, YouTube?
Oh, what's up, YouTube? Like you made your voice go down a few octaves.
No, I had to burp.
Ew. You so aggy.
Open the agenda, opening prayer. We're going to introduce ourselves. We're going to do the icebreaker, discuss upcoming events, and then open the floor, and then a closing prayer.
Okay. Anyways, we just got done with the meeting for the run through of tonight's event. Woo, woo, woo. I'm excited. Yeah, I didn't really have that much to do today. I did have to shoot a content for Estee Lauder, which will be going up today or tomorrow. So if you're just not seeing this vlog, go ahead and show some love. And I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna film 2 days and then I'll post the vlog, and then we'll see how that do. You know what I mean? I have another campaign I have to do, but they haven't sent me back my I uploaded the draft, but they haven't given me any feedback yet. So I'm waiting on that, which they need to hurry up because I don't want my money to be behind. Okay. And then we had the event today, so I knew we weren't gonna like leave the house and do anything extra. Plus, y'all, it was storming last night. Our AC went out at like 7, and it didn't come back on till around 10. Good thing we ain't had nothing left. I mean, it ain't like we had much. We were doing anything anyway, so we just kind of like laid in the bed. Bae went to sleep, and then I was still on my phone trying to playing. I was still on my phone, child. And so, and then it finally came on around 10. But by that point, lately we've been trying to like go to sleep at 10 so that we can wake up and go to the gym in the morning. But this morning we actually missed it. So I think we're gonna be going to the gym tonight. Ooh, I hate going at night because it'd be so packed. But trying to get back in the gym. And then I'm gonna go change into something a little bit more comfy. And then catch up on socials because I have not today. And I did post, so I need to go see if I have any comments to respond back to comments. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Start it. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Cause I got you.
All right, God, we thank you for today. We thank you for those who are taking the time to join us tonight and those who will join us in the future. We thank you for all that you have done and all that you've given us and for this amazing opportunity to build your kingdom, God.
All right, y'all. So we got 7%. I can't talk.
Yeah, what? Get this.
I can't even talk. Making sure I ain't got no boogers. Listen, we got 6%. Baby, we got 6% on my camera right now, and this concludes the day. The event went really, really well. We had about 16 people, which was nice.
Meeting.
Huh?
Meeting.
Huh?
Meeting.
I said meeting.
You said event.
Oh, well, they knew we was doing a Zoom call. You know what I mean? I think 19 people said they were gonna come, but 16 made it, which was awesome. We were able to give them all the information they needed and start this thing. And yeah, so as you can see, the serum and the skin tint that I used from Estee Lauder today did pretty good. I mean, I do look a little oily. I don't know. Maybe y'all think I look a little or more. My skin felt amazing. It was very lightweight, and I thought it did really good. All I had to do if I were to like want to go grab something to eat, even though it's like 9:02, a lot of things close around my area, but I could just pat it down a little bit and keep it pushing. But I don't know, I really like it, and I do think I might use that over a foundation, even though I don't even really wear that much foundation anyways. So, and it's SPF, baby, I love that for me. I love that for us, because we're gonna go get it, right? You can go ahead and find it down in the description. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys had an awesome day. I hope you guys have an awesome week. And I want y'all to sit and think about what are the things that you are believing God for this week. I didn't start that off this morning, so we're going to end the night. I want you to think about what are you believing God for this week and watch it happen. Because God answers all of our prayers, and it don't take God long, okay? So I love y'all, and I hope you guys have a good night, and definitely get the skin tint and the serum. Perfect. I loved it. But see you guys tomorrow. Bye.